Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to manually change RAM speed. First, you'll need to restart your computer and access the BIOS or UEFI firmware. This is usually done by pressing a specific key like Delete, F2, F10, or F12 immediately after powering on. Once inside, navigate to the Advanced or Overclocking section. This is where you'll find the memory settings. It's the crucial first step to unlocking your RAM's full potential. Next, look for memory frequency or DRAM settings. Here, you'll likely see an option for XMP or Extreme Memory Profile, which is common for Intel systems. If you're on an AMD platform, it might be called DOC or D, O, C, P. Enabling this profile is often the easiest way to achieve your RAM's advertised speed, as it automatically configures the correct frequency, timings, and voltage for you. For more control, you can manually overclock your RAM. First, disable XMP or DOC. Then, you can adjust the memory frequency in small increments, perhaps by 100 or 200 MHz at a time. You'll also need to fine-tune primary timings, such as CAS latency, and carefully increase the DRAM voltage, typically by 0.05 volts, to ensure stability. This method requires patience and attention to detail. After making any changes, save your BIOS settings and boot into your operating system. It's absolutely critical to test for stability. Use memory diagnostic tools like MemTest86 or Prime95 for several hours to ensure your system is stable under load. Pay close attention to temperatures and overall system performance. If you encounter errors or crashes, return to the BIOS and make small adjustments until stability is achieved.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.